In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit Privacy Controls and click on Permission Manager. Now it's time to click on one of your device's features you wish to manage and tap on an app, like Chrome. Then apply one of those options, in my case allow or don't allow, by clicking on the chosen one, and go back. As you can see, after that Chrome just gained access to my device's contacts. But you can also select any feature, click on an app you want to manage, and instead of picking one of those options, select the All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!